Hi guys, welcome! Take some time to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to see our future content as soon as it's uploaded. Give us a like and enjoy the video. Hello guys, and welcome to a new Zenbox video. Today we are unboxing a piece of technology we didn't even know existed, at least not in this form. It's a single Bluetooth earphone by Xiaomi. Not sure what to make of it, but let's see what we got here. You can see the earphone and the included charger right off the bat through this plastic protective cover. Under it there is just a Mi logo. Rest of the box is just plain white cardboard box with exactly zero detail on it. On the back there is presumably the technical details about the device, but it's in Chinese, so it won't bother you much. Let's open it up, and since there is a seal on top, you know what's coming. The knife. The new one this time. The seal is tough, it gave us some trouble, but we cut it eventually. Opening the lid grants us the access to the content of the box. Space inside is tight, and getting everything out was somewhat challenging. We can see everything again, but this time without the reflective plastic cover. Bottom part opens like this, revealing the USB cable used for charging. It doesn't come with the power adapter, presumably because they thought you already have one. Removing the charger is pretty easy, it took almost no effort. Now let's try to figure out how to remove the earphone. During that we found some more accessories. Not bad. But the box is giving us some challenge. We can't figure out how to extract the earphone. In all of our unboxings, this one proved itself to be the weirdest and the hardest one. Go figure, such a small item giving us so much trouble. We ended up ripping off the box and extracting the earphone in a bit more violent way. First, we shall check the accessories, and starting it with the manual. Like usually, the text is in Chinese, and the paperwork is quite detailed and very well illustrated. We are pretty pleased with that. Let's put it aside and move on to the other accessories. Here is the included charger. It's the USB 2.0 compatible device. It's pretty short but visually appealing. With that simple black aesthetic, we give it a pass. Next is the little bag containing some different rubber pieces. This bag is annoying to open as the tape is stuck to it. Once again, we end up ripping off the packaging. Oh well. Here you can see the two different rubber tips, allowing it to customize it to your ear canal. It's pretty neat. They are black and made out of soft rubber, and that means they will be very comfortable. And the earphone finally. It's quite small and made out of black plastic. You can also see the gold-plated charging pads here as well. I like it a lot. It doesn't feel cheap at all. We're going to show you how to remove it and put back the rubber tip. It's pretty easy. To remove the tip, just grab the rubber part and pull it off gently, as you don't want to rip it apart. Putting it back on is just as simple. Just align the earphone with the rubber tip and push it back on. Placing the earphone in the charger is quite effortless as well. You slide it in till it's safe and secure. You don't need to remove the rubber tip to fit it in. And that's how the entire assembly looks like. Here you can see everything that comes inside of the box. Now let's proceed to pair the device to our phone. First step in pairing is to turn off the Bluetooth. It's that simple. Next, press the only button on the earphone. It's very tiny, but you have to press it till it glows. Press it again till the white LED shows up, and we are close. Now, long press the button till the white LED starts blinking. That's the first sign to pair up the device. You should refresh your device search on your phone. The earphone will show up in a second. Tap on it and the pairing will start. After a few seconds, the earphone is paired. And that's it. If you liked the video, toss us a like, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon. Zenbox out.